If you design electrical systems, experiencing some scheduling pressure to complete them faster than ever, you're probably finding some challenges with that. You need to produce understandable schematics as well as put together all of the documentation, such as bills of material and wire connection lists. That can involve a lot of redundant manual typing. Let's spend a few minutes taking a look at how SOLIDWORKS Electrical can help you work faster without cutting any corners. I can easily place symbols, drawing from a standard library that is shared amongst all of the users on the local network, ensuring conformity across all projects. As I place the symbols, it is keeping track of all of the components I place, assigning unique marks that follow the numbering method defined in the project, so that I don't accidentally have duplicated component labels. Rather than draw from scratch, I can leverage design pieces I frequently reuse by creating them into macros. A simple drag and drop places the needed components and connections, while the intelligence of the program renumbers everything properly. Having a shared library also means that I don't have to try to remember a previous project in which I used this circuit, then hunt through the network to find where the files are stored, open that project, and finally copy and paste. Again, it's just a matter of drag and drop. I'll use the Number New Wires button so that in a matter of seconds, it numbers them all according to my defined numbering scheme. For a large project, this used to take me hours upon hours of typing in numbers manually. So for many companies, this feature alone makes the software worth the investment. Once everything is complete, the documentation begins. There are a number of reports set up out of the box that can be generated, and each one can be customized to display the information you require to communicate effectively. All of the information is accurate and up to date in real time as changes are made in the project. We have totally eliminated the traditional process of typing out everything in Excel by hand. Terminal strip drawings are completely automated as well. It displays all the connection information you need, as well as showing any jumpers or bridges that need installed. As a final step, everything can be packaged into a PDF, DWG, or eDrawings file so that you can communicate your design and get production started. As you can see, SOLIDWORKS Electrical enables you to create your entire system much more efficiently through the use of macros, leveraging your past work. It also keeps track of all of your component and wire numbers, automatically packaging all of the information into the documentation you require. With this software, you can complete the schematics faster and cut out the documentation time entirely, without having to sacrifice the quality that you're used to producing. One of the advantages that I didn't get into is that by bringing the electrical design inside the SOLIDWORKS ecosystem, you could use SOLIDWORKS Electrical 3D to easily place parts in your 3D assembly and route your wires and cables to determine the required length. Ask your CATI account manager to have us come in to give you a live demo, or even a hands-on test drive so you can see just how easy it is.